5. Each child in a group was asked to choose a single favorite type of cereal. The table shows the number of children who choose each type of cereal as a favorite. Which statement is not supported by the data in the table? So A says Fruit Loops is the favorite type of cereal for 15% of the children. There's 15 children. These are not in percents though. So I need to make this into percent by adding up all my numbers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 4. Now I need to take Fruit Loops, 15. That's not going to work. Number 5, each child in a group was asked to choose a single favorite type of cereal. The table shows the number of children who choose each type of cereal as a favorite. Which statement is not supported by the data in the table? So I'm looking for not supported. Fruit Loops is a favorite type of cereal for 15% of the children. This is talking about percent, but it's talking about children. So I need to turn these into percent. And to do that, I'm going to add up all my numbers. 15, 10, 2, 20, and 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So my denominator is 50. And now we're talking about Fruit Loops. So I'm going to take 15. They both end in 5. Or this ends in 5, this ends in 0. So they can be divided by 5. To simplify, 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 50 divided by 5 is 10. Now I need to turn this into a percent by doing T-bow. Top in, bottom out. 10 can't go into 3, so I have to add a decimal and raise it. That gives me permission to add a 0. 10 goes into 30 3 times, and 10 times 3 is 30. Then this is my decimal. I need to move it twice to the right to get my percent. So 30%. 30% is not the same thing as 15%, so that one works. More than 5% of the children chose other as their favorite type of cereal. So I need to turn other into a percent. 3 out of 50. It can't be simplified because 3 can't go into 50 perfectly. So I need to do T-bow. Top in, bottom out. 50 can't go into 3. Add decimal and bring it up and add my 0. 50 still cannot go into this, so I put a 0 on top and add another 0 inside. And then 50 goes into 300. I know 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Then I move my decimal 1, 2 to the right. And that gives me 6%. 6% is more than 5%. So that is true, but we want not true. Lucky Charms is the favorite type of cereal for 20% of the children. So I'm going to take 10 over 50. And since they both have exactly 1 0 in it, I can cancel out those zeros, and that gives me 1/5. I already know what 1/5 is as a percent, but if I didn't, I'm going to do T-bow. Top in, bottom out. 5 can't go into 1. Add my decimal, bring it up, add my 0. 5 goes into 10 twice. Move it twice to the right. 20%. 20%, that's the same thing. Again, we want not true, so that's not my answer. And Cheerios is associated with a mode for the favorite type of cereal. Cheerios is 20. That's the most number. That's the most. Like most children chose Cheerios. So that is true. So D is not my answer.